1 year of stacking gold and silver. Boys and girls, this is a very special video. I've been waiting for this video ever since the day I started YouTube. Now today, I wanted to show off some silver. I wanted to do a big giveaway for you guys. I want to talk about the future of the channel and a few other things. So please stay tuned. We're going to be doing the biggest giveaway that I've ever done on a video. Way bigger than all the other ones that we've done in the past month or two. So get ready, guys. We got like 9 prizes, I think. 9 all silver, all silver. So stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you the secret way to enter. I really appreciate it, guys. Let's get into the video. Alright, so 1 year of stacking silver and 1 year of YouTube. When I first started this channel, I had the intentions of using it as like a way to track the progress of my stack. That's why I started this channel, and that's why my name is New Silver Stacker, because I wanted to show like, okay, day 1, my first piece of silver. I went to the pawn shop and I found this and I thought it'd be really cool to own some pure silver. So that's what I got. And then it's turned into this, and I have a little bit more silver, but it's in my box. But this is a large majority of it, and it's been so fun. I really appreciate it, guys. This YouTube channel has been well worth it, and I've enjoyed it every single video. And I really appreciate the community. When I first started, I didn't know there was a community like this, but I'm happy there is because you guys are all awesome. It started out with this. It's turned into all this, but not only that, I've also learned so much about stacking and how it works, and I'm very appreciative for all of you guys who have helped me out. So today, I want to talk about, real quick, we'll talk about the future of the channel. So I bought this new camera that we're shooting on right now, so the video quality is going to go up, but I don't want to just make the video quality better, I want to up the quality in general. Meaning better videos, not just better camera quality, better videos, better editing. Everything is going to be much better. It'll still be the good old same New Silver Stacker videos that you enjoy, but just better, more enjoyable to watch, easier to digest type of videos. I'm going to be buying a new computer probably this week or next, or sometime this month, I think. One that can handle intense editing. So I really appreciate you guys, and I'm going to step up the game so that way you guys can enjoy it even more. So the reason why I am waiting till the end, I'm waiting till about the middle of the video to announce our giveaway and how to enter. The reason why is because we have a sponsor today. And guys, let's take a moment to thank our sponsors, okay? Well, I've had many sponsors in the last few months, and they have helped fund future giveaways. So on the 12-hour live stream, 12 or 16 hour, I'm not sure yet, that's coming up soon. And you have them to thank for the massive giveaway that I'm going to be doing. We're going to be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on giveaways, depending on if I get another sponsor, $1,000 or more. I'm not even joking. The next giveaway is going to be intense. Today's giveaway is going to be pretty big, but 12-hour live stream video is going to be crazy. So let's go ahead and talk about our sponsor. Let's give them a big thank you for funding these giveaways. They're awesome. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so today's sponsor is Uranium Royalty Corp. And I'm pretty excited to talk about them today because I've been interested in ways to have like a clean, sustainable energy in our own backyard. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's always better to produce things yourself rather than to have someone else do it, or instead of having to rely on someone else to finish the job, or in this case, relying on other countries to give us energy. So let's read a little bit about them. So Uranium Royalty Corp is focused on gaining exposure to uranium prices by making strategic investments in uranium interests, including royalties, streams, debt, and equity in uranium companies, as well as through physical uranium transactions. The company's strategy recognizes the inherent cyclicality of valuations based on uranium prices, including the availability of capital in different pricing environments. And then right here, you can see that they are currently listed on the NASDAQ, trading at $2.92, and then also on TSX for $3.89. So there you go. There's some info about that. And with everything that's going on in the world, figuring out ways to produce long-term sustainable energy is extremely important, I think at least. It's kind of like the same deal with gold and silver in a way. I believe in it, and I know it will take care of me in the long term. If that makes any sense, it goes hand in hand. Alright, so let's check out this cool little slide that they made, and I wanted to read through it a little bit. So, Uranium Royalty Corp is the first and only pure-play uranium royalty company. We'll refer to them as URC. to shorten it. So URC is the first company to apply the successful royalty and streaming business model exclusively to the uranium sector. And if you don't know what that means, basically they provide funding for mines in exchange for a future payoff. Another thing they have is a strong balance sheet with $133 million Canadian liquid assets, which positions it to capitalize on accretive uranium royalty and streaming acquisition opportunities. So they can jump on any opportunity they want at that point, which is great. Through opportunistic market purchases, the supply stream with CGN Global and its approximate 3.8% stake in London-listed Yellow Cake, URC holds interests in physical uranium acquired at cyclical lows. And they have a large and diversified royalty portfolio, and the portfolio includes interest in 15 development, advanced, permitted, and past producing uranium projects in multiple jurisdictions, including royalties on the world-class McArthur River and Cigar Lake mines. And we'll check out the map in just a minute, and we can see where all their operations are. Another cool thing that I actually like about this company, is the management. So it says the management and board possesses decades of uranium industry experience, including senior executive and advisory roles to prominent companies and governments in the sector. So let's go ahead and take a look at their management board. Okay. So here's who we got on the management and the board. So first up, we have the president, CEO, and director, Scott Melby, and it says he's the uranium industry veteran with 37 years of experience. So yeah, I would say if there's someone I wanted to run a uranium company, it'd probably be him. He sounds like he knows quite a bit about that, especially since he's been in it so long. And then you also have Amir Adnani, who's the chairman right now. He's an entrepreneur and founder, president, and CEO of Uranium Energy Corp. So also a very experienced person in the uranium sector. And then you also have Darcy Hirschhorn, the CTO, Veena Patel, the director, Josephine Mann, the chief financial officer, Neil Gregson, the director, and John Griffith, the director. And look at all these experiences these people have. Darcy has 25 years experience at Cameco and Uranium Royalty Corp. Veena has 18 years. Neil has over 30 years. Josephine has over 20 years. John has over 30 years. So I'd say it looks like a dream team. At least from how I'm looking at it, it looks like a dream team for this company, which is really awesome. And then they also have a strategic partner, Uranium Energy Corp, which, like I said, Amir Adnani is the founder of. So that's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly interrupt to announce our giveaway. So first, we've got a bunch of dimes, and I'm also going to give away some other stuff. So every winner wins 1 dime. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7 silver dimes. And then what else do we got? And then I will also be giving away one of these half-ounce Special Forces Canadian $2 half-ounce pure silver. And then I'll tell you what, if we hit 5K, I'll give away a second one. So there are the prizes today. And you know what? Maybe what I'll do, depending on how this goes, maybe on the day I draw for these, I will do a bonus giveaway for maybe an ounce of silver, maybe a Morgan dollar. We'll see how it goes, alright guys? So we're giving away all these dimes, one of these half ounces, 5K views, we get one of these. Okay, so what do you have to do? Like the video, obviously, and comment something down below. Comment anything, preferably a good comment, and then in the comment, sneak in a little congratulations on 1 year, something like that. Just say something about 1 year. So the number 1 and year. So say congratulations on 1 year, or say happy 1 year, or say I can't believe it's been 1 year. Just say something with the number 1 and the word year. Simple enough. All right, guys, keep paying attention because there might be something else coming up here soon. Thanks, guys. So they're the initial, so it says their initial shareholder, strategic partner, ongoing technical and operational support. So very cool. And also some other key shareholders include Uranium Energy Corp. Oh, I already mentioned them. But Uranium Energy Corp, Rick Rule, Sprott Global, and many more great places. So now let's talk strategy. So their main strategy is building a diversified portfolio, and that includes geographical, such as having places or operations in Africa, Canada, the USA, and a bunch of other places, and also investing across the cost curve, which maximizes leverage to uranium recovery, and also physical ownership, direct exposure to current spot price. It says URC's diversified approach is well suited to uranium, and I would have to agree. From what I know so far, I would have to agree. This all sounds great. And here's the map I told you I'd show. So here's the Cigar Lake where they have something up there, and then Reno Creek. And here are some of the states up in the North America. We got like New Mexico, Colorado, Wyoming. Up here, I don't know what state this is. Also clear over here in the corner. And then here's, like I said, Africa down in Namibia. And if you want to see the rest, you can just pause the video and check it out real quick. Let's move on. So another strategic partner is Yellowcake PLC Investment, which I think is in the UK, if I remember correctly. And it says they have a Blind River uranium storage facility, but it says Yellowcake has a long-term supply agreement with Kazatomprom, if I said that right, which is the world's largest uranium producer, so I guess that would be a good partner to have. Okay, and here are some of the other places. So you got like MacArthur River, Cigar Lake, Rough Rider, and it shows all the details. If anybody's interested in seeing this PowerPoint, just go ahead and email me. I'll send you the link, or you can just go on their website, the Uranium Royalty Corp. There's one more thing I want to read. And so they also compared their model to other models like operating companies, uranium ETFs, and physical funds. So as you can see right here, with Uranium Royalty Corp, they check all the boxes in what they list right here. So exposure to uranium price, fixed operating costs, no development or sustaining capital costs because they're funding other people, which is great. Exploration expansion upside without the associated costs, because like I said, they're funding the other mines and all that stuff. Diversified asset portfolio, like we already talked about, and ability to grow without increased management. And of course, nuclear energy is clean, safe, it's reliable, and it's economic. It's a perfect complement to renewable wind and solar, which I think is great. I think we should have wind, we should have solar, but we need something else, and we need it in our own backyard, I think. Also, I'm going to link down below a video. It was an interview with Amir. It was a Fox News interview. I was going to clip it in here, but I don't want them to copyright claim me. So feel free to check it out. I thought it was pretty interesting. And it also says, provides hedge against high natural gas prices, which that's great. Why wouldn't we want that? And then one last thing I wanted to read, you guys. So it says U.S. uranium mining and nuclear energy enjoying historic support in Washington, D.C., which is great. So it says bipartisan support for nuclear energy, all-time high in public support with Democrat and Republican voters now equally in favor of nuclear energy. So that's great. Both sides are supporting it, which is awesome to hear. It says Biden administration wants congressional approval allowing the DOE to purchase $4.3 billion of domestic uranium. So conversion and enrichment and the U.S. reliance on nuclear fuel from Russia, which is what I'm talking about. That's what I talked about in the first of the video. We need to rely on ourselves, and I think this is a great way to do it. I hope this all goes through. I hope this is all going to go through successfully, and I hope it all works out. And Uranium Royalty Corp is going to be a big player in this movement. It also says bipartisan infrastructure bill signed into law, which provides $6 billion of nuclear credit program for qualifying nuclear plants. And then the U.S. has a goal to reach 100% carbon pollution-free electricity by 2035. Now, I don't know all about that, but that would be great. Let's just hope we can make it all work really good. And there's a few other things it says, but DOC amends Russian suspension agreement to limit their and reduce imports from Russia up to 75% compared to prior RSA. It's very important with everything that's going on. I think that's very important. So, real quick summary to sum up the video. Uranium Royalty Corp offers investors first mover pure play uranium royalty exposure. They also offer royalty portfolio covering an array of development projects in key jurisdictions with the right partners. An emerging need for new production creates mutually beneficial royalty financing opportunities, and a team with extensive uranium industry experience, knowledge, and access. All the people, the management team we just talked about, lots of experience. Nuclear energy gaining a broader acceptance in a carbon-constrained world. Robust uranium demand and curtailed mine production have rebalanced market fundamentals. The U.S. government committed to revitalize the domestic uranium fuel cycle, energy security, and the market fundamentals continue to improve with a growing deficit between primary production and reactor requirements. All right, guys, that is it. Let's say a special thank you to Uranium Royalty Corp for funding our future giveaways and today's giveaway. They're super awesome. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys appreciate, I'm trying to do more giveaways, and I thought finding a really cool sponsor would be a great way to do it. So thank you guys so much. I think that is all for today. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Make sure you enter the giveaway. Make sure you comment and like the video. And guys, stay tuned because we're going to be having a lot better videos, better editing, better quality, better all around. Guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.